York Plaza. That's where we're starting the video today. Alright, so I'm in Half a Tree. Haven't done a video around Half a Tree in a while. I know new persons are always coming on the channel. So just gonna do a quick drive around the center of Half a Tree. We're starting at York Plaza, home to York Pharmacy. You know, before COVID, that was a 24 hours pharmacy. They're always open, but because of COVID, things have changed. Mega Mart as well. Mega Mart Waterloo was 24 hours. So at any time, persons were there shopping. You know, like at 1 a.m. when the store is empty, they just walk in, pick up what they want, cash. So those are two places in Kingston that were 24 hours. We have Mother's over here, Clark's store. Whoever owns a Clark's, put Clark's in the comment. I know Clark's is like, you know, Jamaica's national shoes. So if you want a pair of Clark's, put Clark's in the comment or a shoes emoji. A lot of clothes store over this plaza as well. Hairdressers, barbers, pharmacy, and doctor's office. So that's York Plaza. Then we are gonna head around Transport Center side. Water Commission is doing some work down here, digging up some pipe, doing what they do best. Hope they fix it. Well, today is a Sunday, so the road is a bit empty. Hope they fix the pipe before tomorrow morning, Monday morning, because it's gonna be a lot of traffic. So they're down right here at this very busy intersection, bringing traffic from Maxfield, from down on Agley Park Road. So this is a major intersection. They have been here from yesterday, Saturday. Looks like they're about to probably tar. So they're always digging up, but I guess they know why they're digging up. Let me leave that to them. So we're gonna go around Transport Center side and then we head over to Clock Tower Plaza and come back around. So it's just literally just driving around the main town center of Half a Tree. So just showing you guys a glimpse right here on a Sunday. So I guess we can call this a Sunday drive in Half a Tree. Remember to like, leave a comment, share, so that person's not only in Kingston, not only in St. Andrew, not only in Jamaica can see these content about Jamaica, but also persons overseas can see the channel and definitely stay tuned as well. So we have Transport Center over here. And we're entering one of the busiest, if not the busiest, intersection in Jamaica. So South Odeon Avenue with Constant Spring Road, right in front of the Transport Center. Mega intersection when it comes to pedestrian traffic. You know, on a Monday to Friday, persons rushing to work in the morning, in the evening they're rushing from work. So we're gonna take the right, go around to Clock Tower Plaza. And again guys, subscribing is completely free. So join the family, help us to reach our 20,000 mark. You know, each person that subscribe get us closer, so it's much appreciated. So the iconic Half a Tree clock. You know, ironically, I saw a calendar the other day, and right over here on the left, about 50 years ago, they had a fountain, a very big fountain right over there. The place look quite the same. Tasty was still there. KG Electrical was still there. But you know, right, a few changes happened right at the clock. So the red, what you call them now, red stalls weren't there. There was a big fountain, and they didn't have any bus passing right there either. So I saw that calendar and I'm like, whoa, this was Alpha Tree 50 years ago. You know what I'll do? Let me see. If I can get a picture and just put it at the end of the video, I'll do that. If not, it is what it is. But if I can get a picture of Alpha Tree, and I don't remember if it's 50 years exact, but I know it was quite a long time ago. And if I'm able to include it, I'll include it for you guys so you can see as well. So this is Clock Tower Plaza. Super busy in the week, and on a weekend, lots of traffic. You know, they have wholesale, sell bulk items, hair products, food stuff, clothes, food, shopping. So a lot of shops on this plaza, Clock Tower Plaza. Pharmacy, meat shop, furniture store. You have two mini mall, one over there on the left, and then bargain mall. So you have two malls in the plaza as well. So bargain mall right there in front of us. Very busy plaza. So just showing you guys around this side on a Sunday, and again around the main thoroughfare in Alpha Tree. Alright, so another driving video. I know I've slowed down on the driving video in recent times, but you know, we have to keep the content versatile, from driving videos to apartment review, Airbnb review, new construction, road construction, new development. So just keep the channel versatile. Alright, so we're gonna take the left and go back down to the clock, the Alpha Tree clock, and then basically end the video there. So just a quick drive around Alpha Tree on a Sunday. Not a lot of traffic, you know, smooth sailing when it comes to driving, not a lot of congestion. So that is Alpha Tree on a Sunday. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another driving video.